I will talk about how can you fix this problem on your Dollar General app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. When you just click here on settings, so then it's going to take you to next step. So it's going to take you here. Just waiting to show for you like this. Then you go down here. So then you click here on apps and you come to this list here. Then all you have to do, you just so in here can you search for Dollar General or just add it here on search. So you search for it. So just add it. Then it's going to show for you. Click on it. So then it's going to take you here into the app. You click here on first stop. Then you click here on OK. So then you go down, click here on storage, then you click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do is just restart your phone and start it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.